when the fractions are converted to decimals, some of them are repeating and some do not repeat. Now, whether it will repeat or not repeat, it depends on the purely on the denominator. Now, 1 over 4 is 0.25, and when 1/4 will not repeat, 2/4, 7/4, 9/4, they will also not repeat. Like 1 over 3 will repeat, as we saw in the previous lesson. So will 4 over 3 repeat, 7 over 3 will repeat, like that. And some fractions repeat, like 1 over 3, it will be 0.33333, so we put point here. But some of them repeat, like this 2 over 7. Let's divide 2 by 7 to get the idea of what I am saying here. So we have 2 divided by 7 here. 2 times 0 is 0, and we have remainder 2. So 20 divided by 7 is 7 times 2 is 14, and 6 remainder. And then after that 60 divided by 7 is 7 times 8 is 56. So 4 remainder. Then 40 divided by 7 is 7 times 5 is 35, and 5 remainder. Then 50 divided by 7 is 7 times 7 is 49, and 1 remainder. Then 10 divided by 7 is 1 remainder 3, and after that 30 divided by 7 is 4 remainder 2. Now when we see this 2 here in remainder, and next step is 20 divided by 7, and in the beginning we did this 20 divided by 7, it was 2 remainder 6. So again we'll have 2 remainder 6, and this block will start repeating again. So what I'm saying here is it will be 0.285714, then 285,714, 285,714, and so on. And this block, this block will keep repeating. 285,714, again 285,714, then 285,714, and so on. Now what we do here is, instead of writing it for if we want to give the full picture, what we do is 0.285714. We put a point above this 2, and we put a point above this 4. Now there are 2 points, and it's saying that from first point to the second point here, all of this block will keep repeating itself endlessly. One more thing I want to mention here, it's best to get the fraction in its simplified form, because we know that if the denominator has 3, it will repeat it when we convert it to decimal. But what about 3 over 3? 3/3, it's 1, not repeating, and 6 over 3, it will also not repeat bits, because 3 times 2 is 6. So when the fraction is in its lowest form, that is the best way to start converting it to decimal. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.